Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. I'm really excited to see your drawings that you did last week. I hope you enjoyed doing it. If some of you got a little frustrated, that's typical because some people it's a little more difficult for them to be able to do an upside down drawing, especially if they've been used to drawing the right side up. But for most of you, I hope that you had a good experience. Now, don't forget that it'll be due Tuesday this week, and you also need to turn in your drawing comments with that assignment. To begin our week, you will be studying Chapter 6, that's on painting, and I want to start off with a quote that's by Vincent van Gogh. He says, "If you hear a voice within you saying you are not a painter, by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced." Don't be afraid to jump into this exercise this week. Just like last week, if you believe in yourself, you'll be able to do it. And I want you just to have fun. So we'll talk a little bit more about the painting exercise in just a moment. But in review, just go over the PDF file and you can fill out the study guides. Remember, those study guides are just for your own personal use, just to help you when you take the test. And if you have any questions on anything, please let me know. Now let's just go in and check out your assignment. Okay, as you can see here, you're going to have a painting assignment, and it's actually you'll be doing 3 small paintings. There's only one video that you need to be watching, and it'll probably take you about 10-15 minutes to watch the video. It'll go through the different medias because you're going to be using acrylics, watercolors, and also pastels. And I'll just give you a little bit of an overview of how to use each one of those medias. And the reason for this assignment is to give you the experience so that you will be able to appreciate a little bit more of what an artist goes through. So when you look at a pastel, you can say, yeah, I did this little 5x7 pastel and it was not easy. Boy, look what he was able to do. So it'll give you a great appreciation. So make sure that you watch the video and go in the overview. Let's just go back 1 minute. I need to point this out to you. There's actually 2 videos, the overview for painting exercise and then the painting instructional video. Watch this one first, the overview. It'll help you understand what you're going to be doing for this exercise. It's really important that you watch that. Then do the instructional video. But don't leave either one of them out. Here's just an overall quick set of instructions for you. You're going to have in your kit you have several different supports. That means what you're going to be painting on, different kinds of paper. Just make sure that when you paint with the watercolors and also with your acrylics, that the acrylics should be on a heavier support. And it's more like a canvas, kind of like, it almost has texture to it. Whereas the watercolor paper has a little bit of bubbles on it. It's a stiffer paper. So there again, if you don't have that paper, just make sure that it's a heavier paper like vellum or cardstock that you'll use. Because if you use like copy paper, it's going to ripple on you, and you don't want to have that. And then you'll be doing 3 images. They'll be 5 by 7 inches, and you will actually upload each one of those into the Dropbox. Now this is where you'll be getting your ideas from, and you'll have to make 2 or 3 thumbnail sketches, and you'll be turning those in with your assignment. After you've done that and you've uploaded them, just make sure everything's in place, that you have the 3 images and that you have the 2 thumbnail drawings. Now here's some student examples that you can go through, and it's kind of fun to try to guess which is the acrylics, which is the pastels, and which is the watercolors. And you can see it actually does change the image even though it's the same. Now don't get too concerned about the pastels that are in your kit. Some of them are off colors. That's okay. Just use the colors you have. Some of you may have bought a set of pastels. That's great. You can use a variety of colors, but make sure that the images are exactly the same. Again, if you have any questions on this assignment, please let me know. I'm looking forward to seeing them, and have a nice time, or a happy time, I should say, an enjoyable time painting.